Um, Hello guys. Yes. Eventually, we're gonna play 99 nights in the forest. Not only that, we're gonna play with a friend here. And so let's turn the call at him. I can make you some avocado day. I'm gonna get you some vacation. Yeah. What are you good at doing in 99 nights? Putting fire. Finding stuff? Yeah. There's gonna be this hole in here. Ow! Wait, I'm gonna put the pool in, okay? Yeah? Now the more chance to drop more posts. And the chance to drop how easy. Yo, Ethan, up on the pole, up on the pole. Okay. Hey, got a bunny foot. I got a bunny foot. You need one more bunny foot for you, okay? Ethan, I'm gonna try to get a good set. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, he's over there. Come on. Ethan, I got a bandage in case you die. Yo. Yo, bro. Yeah? Inches. Okay. Quick. Ethan, you can use my bunny claw, okay?
Okay.
Ethan, yeah, you can use it, okay? I'm going to get myself another one, Ethan, right?
Wolf pelt.
Okay, I got myself a bunny claw. What's that? 5,000. I'll give myself a wolf out. Yeah, but you already got myself a spear. Ethan,
Yeah?
let's go.
What?
I got you a wolf out, okay?
Already got wolf pelt. I just gotta go and run away.
No, because no, so now you can also get yourself a spear. Oh, wait. Ethan, take my bandage. Take my bandage. Oh, wow. You take my bandage.
I already found the first kid's, I already found the first kid. I'm killing the wolves. To the window!
I'm going to get myself a good axe because you can just get an artificial. Ethan, I'm going to go fishing, okay? Wait. Fishing?
Gotta go fast.
Ethan, I'm going to bring fish, okay?
Okay. Go, 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 go. You're hungry? Uh-oh. You ain't catching me, wolf. Eat. 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 Well, I can craft nothing on it. Kayla, don't leave me. I found coal. I found coal.
Ethan, I got us all raw fish. And some meat at the farm. And a wonderful.
I got us a lot of food too.
Ethan, look, I got a fishy. Hey,
Oh,
Ethan, did
yeah.
you know you can get a pet fish? Look. Oh, Ethan, the fish is like pretty good. It's like the,
Look at all of the food I have gotten.
Ethan, it's like the steak, but they're better because it's easier to get. Look, Ethan, it's better than the fish. Steak, I mean, the fish is better than the fish.
Last wolf.
Wait, no, we're gonna save the cat first. Wait, what? Since when? Wait, I thought I got it.
Get over here. Get in my sack.
Yeah, but we're robbing. We can't have been here.
Let's get it. Let's get out before the mother comes.
Ethan, I got your good stuff. Oh, do you already have?
I already got good sack.
Oh yeah. Okay. Come on in.
Uh,
Wait, Ethan, I got you outside. Die. He died. He died. He died. I'm going to left us a lot of food, okay? Perfect. Now the days but go on by 5.
Kraken. The Kraken kid. I already found him.
Bandage. I mean, how's the bandage? Wait, you know what? I'm taking the wood, but let me do.
Hold on. I say hello. Hello. Yeah. Where's the child? Where's the child at? I'ma kidnap another one. I'ma go get another one. Where's he? Oh, kiddo. Where are you, kiddo?
I found a rifle, but I was just ammo.
It could be on the other side. Go back to the camp before it could
You
turn.
Gideon, I found a few canister and poles. Me and Gideon are playing early in the night.
Yo ho!
Yo,
Yo ho! Shot show! I'm getting hungry.
Ethan just got a fun rifle.
Oh, that's good. Ah! Eat, 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 eat. Oh my gosh!
Eat, bro, eat if you want.
I'm not hungry. I'm a hunter bear. Ooh. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna stay here. I'm just gonna stay here. I'm gonna stay here. Yeah?
Second child. You just saved the second child already. Yo, Ethan. Take a second.
No! No wood. I'm trying to get more beds.
Let's give him scraps and make it sundial, yo. Ethan, let's make it a map. Let's make a map so that we can locate each other.
I'm stupid.
I'm gonna go explore.
Okay, we haven't seen no deer yet. Day 4 times 2 will be 5 days.
Okay, let's explore around. And something zero coming. Great. Ethan, let's do that
Move, Gully. Yeah? I'm in the campfire. Okay. 6. I'm going to save the second child. I'm gonna go save the second child. Uh-oh. Ah! Wait, I'm still alive! Wait, how am I alive? Caleb! Caleb! I'm dead, but I'm still alive! Caleb! Caleb? Medkit! They're coming! Ah! Ah! The dealer's coming! Get over here! Ooh, cake. I'm gonna get a alpha wolf pet. That's not one of them. That's weird. No wolf pet. Coming! I'm coming, I'm coming.
Oh yeah. Yo, Ethan, I got a wolf pelt for you.
I just need another wolf pelt.
No, I also one. I got another one. Here, guys. Yeah, I think I need to put that on. Where is the medicine? Ethan, I'm gonna use the find this, okay? Here, I got nothing. Bruh, how you gonna get an apple set up like you did? You know? I found myself a milk kit. Okay? How? I just did. How does little cat blind me?
No, no, please.
Nice.
What's this?
Go get the apple. Wait, this is open house. Tree house. And then a tree house.
I'm in the campfire. I see it.
That was here. The thing you need to do is not move. Unless
I already know.
that's right. Idiot. What? She came in the lab open.
This kid.
Okay, 20 seconds to tell them. So I was not here no more. No, boo boo. Hi, can time. That's what the owl is, bro. Bro is on the door right now. Okay, it's too big. I don't think he dropped the feather. He didn't even drop the feather for me.
Caleb. Caleb.
You can. No, if you can. Piggy, can I think about leaving a black fuel, Oh, it's nice. Turn skin shot. Have no shot. Like no more. Yeah. Okay, I'm coming back.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Ah!
Okay, man. How did you die?
I was attacked by Alpha Wolf Pet.
How did you die? I'm gonna come and revive you on the day, okay? But is there like anything near you? If you're like in the opposite world, because I can kill them. Ethan, after this, we need to get more fuel. Okay, bro, I'm coming. I'm coming, bro, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I can see why you died here. Let me kill these dudes, and I'm gonna kill the wolf by using my kid.
Hello.
Try for death, and right here. There we go.
Yeah, I was trying to save the second child. It's over here. The second child is over here.
The child? You found the child? Okay, bet. I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh my, perfect. Wait, I got it. I got it.
Go, 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 go. There we go.
Wait, you can take this med kit.
Open chest.
Take that med.
Batman.
There.
Hey, get back in the sack.
Here.
Thank you.
Thank God. Thank God you found it. Time to go fishing. Oh, I'm gonna go fishing, okay?
Okay.
And
Well, I just ate a little bit too much.
see something.
Hold on. I'm having a call. Hello? Oh my gosh. Hold on, Caleb. Hold on.
I'll begin your mouth, little boy.
Oh, hi, Caleb.
Begin your mouth, little boy.
Uh-oh.
Bro, it's too wet too, bro. And then we can get real good.
Put it in the storage log. Put it here.
That's what you did. Careful, careful. No, I'm gonna look up for you, okay?
Okay.
You should keep on burning wood and put it in the fire, okay?
Okay.
If it's too strong, to drop it to you, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna put the fire, okay? You can, sir. I found two things. I found two things. Okay. Sweetheart. Found two canister and corn. Here, I don't know what there. And two fuel canisters. Not the I found a button set. Diamond.
Ow!
Oh my, chicken, I found the third child.
Did you find the third child?
Yeah. Yeah, but we're not really prepared because I don't really have that much rifle ammo. Weapon.
I was about to die.
You almost died?
Yeah, by thunder.
Oh, I found an oil barrel. I'm coming back, bro. I'm coming back. No, what's on the this? Oh no! I'm coming right now. I'm coming right now. You got any chili peppers? Keisha, I found so much fuel and an oil banister. Need that. I hope this is enough to get away. Oh, Gideon, I saved that one number. Scan that number. Gideon,
Yeah?
that was incredibly close. Well, now there's like 50, there's 54 now, it's good now. And great, we're getting Gideon, good news, I got a rifle still, and a spear. Yes. Very good. Gideon, come back. We're still move.
Uh-oh.
Yes, he's in there. Sorry, this Spanish. In case you almost die, I got it in Spanish. Take it. No, I need that. Wait, you're good. Wait, Ethan. Calm down. I got your bandage. Ethan, take the bandage. Okay. And I've been saving you, bro. Put the corpses in the fire. Put every single one in the fire. The crossbow and put that thing in there. Yeah, put that. Yeah. Good. Ethan, we're so close to getting this out, bro. If we do go, we need more wood. We'll get that shot. This is good. Then I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Oh god. I found coal. I found some. Few canister that. Take it. And find a few canister too. Gideon, I found your rifle.
Hold on.
Gideon, I found
Ow.
your rifle. Gideon.
Hold on.
Gideon, I found your rifle. I'm gonna give you the rifle, okay? I also got you a pack of bullets, okay? Gideon.
Coming.
Ethan,
What?
come back to the campfire, but this time I actually did get you something. I got you a gun for you, okay? And I also got more fuel. Wait.
Okay, I'm coming. We're finding a lot of fuel.
faster. Simon, yeah, I'm coming back where it says one more pack of rifle ammo, okay? I'm here. I'm on grandma. Damn, well, we have life tons of food, right? Need some. Kishan, where are you? Where?
I'm over here.
Get that. Where you? Okay. Oh, Kishan, almost there. We're almost there. Perfect. Okay, Kishan. Let's get more rifle ammo so that we can kill more than 3 bears. Get all the wood and put it in there. Put all the wood in there. 3, 2, 1. Oh, almost there. Okay, I'm mining someone. I'm mining wood. Go. I'm chopping down wood right now, bro. Yes, you're about to get it to max.
Only 3 more.
I got more than 10 3, bro. Yeah! Now we're gonna explore the whole map. And it actually takes forever just to finish the whole. Perfect. You good, bro?
Wait, what happened to all of the food? I thought we already had a whole stack.
It says that some are got stuck. Let's go in there. Let's try your best. I'm gonna go out. Okay. There's sometimes bull. Ethan, how much bullets do you have in your rifle? Ethan, we should go for bears. Follow me, bro. Follow me, okay? I found the children. Ethan, follow me. We're already okay.
On my mode.
Wait, okay. Right there. Follow me, okay. If there's like anywhere.
Oh, the deer is hungry tonight.
Now, bro, let's get this over with.
Let's save the third child. To the window.
Let's get this over with. Okay, let's open the chest first to see if I get any rifle ammo.
Whack.
Yes, I got myself rifle ammo, okay. And let's also get some coal, okay. What did you get?
Medkit.
Good.
How did they even know I needed a medkit after this?
There it is.
Ooh, bandage.
He's down.
What happened?
I'm fine. Okay, he's in. This is where their child is. Be careful. It's a platform up here. Sample movie. He's up here. Perfect. Yes. I'll get out the food, okay?
Okay. Sleep well, boy. Okay, let's go. Go.
Let's go back.
The bear's coming.
Follow me.
I'm nagging.
Yeah, wait. Okay, let's go back. Come on. It's gonna be risky, right? Gishan,
Yeah?
try to get the trident afterwards. You can actually get the trident. You get, even if anything, well, the deer's hungry tonight. That is bad. That's bad, right?
Uh-huh. He's gonna go to our campfire.
Yes, we're at the fire, bro. Bro, this is like that. Yo, bro, follow the food in there. Oh, look at all this food, bro. There's enough to feed a whole human state.
It's 1,000.
Okay, well, okay, so it's in the north, right there. So it's in the, okay, we need
I guess we already found it.
the compass. Oh, wait, we could craft it. Let's craft it.
Let's craft the compass.
Right now. Let's craft it. Okay. Now we can locate the next child. Okay, it's over there. Check my video.
Where's the deer?
Okay, so it's over there. Okay. Well, we got a carrot closet.
Where's the deer at?
Over there.
Where's the deer?
The fact that I'm gonna see what it looks like. I forgot. That's nightmare fuel. What the heck? That is nightmare fuel, bro. Let's eat before we go, okay? Well, that was scary, bro. And it's kind of terrifying, right? Okay, let's go. Are you hungry?
Bear pelt.
There you go. Okay, let's get that too. Let's go over there. So over there is where the second powder.
Uh-oh. The campfire again.
Okay. Let's go, bro. Because if there's not hungry tonight, we can go, okay? But we would love more ammo. Okay, I got corn case. I'm going to use a revolver because I have like a lot of ammo on this thing. Wait, let's get this.
I don't want to deal with them.
You, bro. Bro, there's two wolves. There's two alphas chasing after me, bruh. Oh, there's an army on me. There's a little army on me. What the heck? What?
I'm coming.
Okay. Just stop chasing me, bro. Okay, bro.
I'm dead.
I know. I can literally see why these dumb ugly.
No, I got stuck on the trap.
There's a trap. Oh my god. No. I'm not about that. Ethan, I think we're cooked.
Why?
Because one of us, bruh, you should know that there's dudes after me. There's like trillions of wolves, bruh. And also gonna stop working. Bruh! At this point, we play 99 nights, okay? I'm gonna come back for you, okay?
Okay.
So, connecting. Remember, whoever created the tradition of not seeing the bride in the wedding dress.
Caleb? Oh. Caleb? Oh no.
Split the deck. Perfect. There you go. Super, baby.
Oh, ang sigo. Aki. Oo.